Yes, Massive and Crew, back once again with another video. And after a chaotic week with my camera falling on the floor, breaking, having to send it back to Canon, it's just been a nightmare of a week for me. Also managed to get the Nexitech SCSI drivers working. Heads up on that. Nexitech have offered everybody on the channel $100 for the Nexitech drivers. They're usually $200. And they're allowing us to purchase a one machine license for $100, and that's exclusive to the channel members. So thanks to everyone for that. I really appreciate all the comments. As I was saying, I'm really excited to tell you that, you know, Equinox brought over all of the Brain Archives discs, and I've got to say I haven't seen them for a few years, and there is an insane amount of discs here. It's just like, you know, I'm gonna go through it now and just show you. This is insane. Like, you've got one crate here which is full up of discs. As you can see, loads of discs here. Another one here. There's another disc box. And then over here we have a whole record box full of floppies. Trying to give you an idea of scale, size. Look, and pretty much everything. Look, just to give you a little quick sneak preview, heads up, you've got 16-track Ting, King Beat Mix, converted, S3003, VIP, look, Dub Select, that's one of those white label tunes. You know, there's tons of stuff, look, Run Come Amen. So there's enough stuff here to archive and to be pulling like, you know, loads of mixes and remastering and all kinds of palaver. But mainly for remixes, I would say. But there's so much, look at this. This is I would say, every couple of discs here is at least one day's work in the studio. And look, this is just like about 15 years. There's layers upon layers of discs, and they go down to the right to the bottom of this crate here. And also another case that you guys haven't seen, look, dub box. We've got Vox 950, Ecstatic Goldmine stuff that I've sampled and put onto that, these floppies. You've got New Sounds 950, all junglist. Look at that, Amiga samples. It's just absolutely insane. And obviously, you know what I'm going to say, guys. Comment down below if you want to see a few videos forthcoming with what's on some of these discs. It'll probably take me forever, but I'm definitely going to archive these discs and get through them. Yes, shout out to Huey, mate. You asked why I wouldn't just, on my AKAI, why I just wouldn't remove the floppy drive section and just put the compact flash reader in where the floppy drive goes. And I'll tell you what, the reason of that is, mate, as you've just seen, I have got probably, let's say, 1,000 odd discs that I need to archive before I can even think about doing that. And then once I've done that, I'm saving them using all, I'm going to rip every single disc using OmniFlop to my hard drive. Once that's all done, I'm going to be able to use those disc images, and then in the actual floppy drive socket, I'm going to be putting one of these HXC emulators which can store 1,000 discs. So I wanted to have the emulator and also have the compact flash, you know, reader. That's why I hacked out the Mo drive port. And yeah, I've got an idea which should look cool. Is that I'm going to, you know, vinyl wrap my AKAI and just go for a new design at some point. But at the moment, you can see I'm really busy with all these archives. Down here, we've got another box again, stacked high with stuff. And also another record crate stacked high with stuff. And also, look, Sod's Law, look. Even a copy of the old Recycle, which I purchased years ago. I assume this is going to be Recycle probably 2.0. So how's that for the box? It's just amazing.
The one that actually came out.
I don't know, but the Eamon one was tearing. That's all I remember.
There must be other discs there as well. Like.
There must be more. There must be more Walk Factor one, but that's obviously the prototype version, because that's not even the original, because it's part of the original. Because I know that the finished version of the original sounds different to that.
Yeah, totally.
But yeah,
but the thing is though, I've heard that version on YouTube as well.
Yeah, there's parts of it. There's parts of it. That's what I mean. There's a version. There's parts of that on there, but it's still slightly different to that one. This must be like some prototype version or something.
There's not a VIP mix or nothing?
No, I don't think so. Not from what I remember.
It's not a remix, is it?
No, that's the original. The remix was the Eamon one, isn't it?
Okay. Listen, don't ask me now, man. The man's just some senile old geezer right now.
I just can't believe that, you know, stuff so old on floppy disk still running, still works.
What else did you find, Jim?
There's nothing, man. This is just the beginning.
It's more like, what else didn't we find? It's just
This
like,
is just the beginning, man. There's too much here.
it's just about, I don't know, how many discs do you reckon we can count up here?
There's probably 1,000, if not more.
We've got about 1,000 discs here, man.
Yeah, man, enough.
There's discs everywhere. Look, there's boxes and boxes.
There's boxes and boxes of them.
Crates and samples and dub select and this and that and...
Enough.
You try to tell me the brain selection's just there sitting in front of you.
The brain archives is here now. Yeah, the whole life story.
The whole, it's just...
So what the 21st century remixes could go on.
Yeah, once you archive them, but it's going to be one job to get it all on there. That's all I know.
What's the... I wish, you know what I wish we did? I wish we put rubber bands.
Man, all of them. Yeah.
You know what couples go with what.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Look, I could even see...
Listen, Jed, that wouldn't have helped us because, you know, say that there's samples from all different bits and pieces on different discs.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Tunes, Jed.
That's the thing. It's supposed to be so rado. Sometimes I'll put samples on the end of another disc.
Yeah,
to find space.
Because you run out of space on the disc that
exactly.
the machine was on.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
oh, look, there's space on here, man.
Yeah.
Let me just save that piece there, Jed.
Yeah, exactly.
And on it went.
Yeah, exactly what I do. Exactly what I used to do.
Yeah, I know that one, Jed.
Yeah.
Like half a tune there, Jed.
Well, I have to come and link you guys again more, man. I miss it. It's good for my soul, man. Now I feel good again. So.
Well, the thing is, though, well, you see my man's round face there, man. See, Biz, man, that's the next man there for the live one, isn't it?
Yeah, we have to get together and do a little live,
man,
session, man. Just anything goes. Just do what we gotta do. That's how it is, man. What's the point of trying to make it all pretty? You know what I mean? That's how it is. That's how we roll, man.
Raw.
That's how it is.
Oh boy, man! You know what? I've got to see some of them disc, Jed. You know, I'm not going to be landing around yours at some point.
Mess up for Mac, you know. For Mac.
Yeah, man. You need to come round, man. You might. Thing is, when you actually see some floppies, it might jog your memory as well. You know, you forget things, and then you see it, like trigger your brain off for certain things.
Lioness VIP Atari.
Oh.
Oh gosh, that's definitely gonna have to get loaded.
Pure stuff.
What the hell, man?
Pure stuff.
What the hell?
I know say there's going to be things there. You're just going to look at it for, oh no, you're just going to hear that music and go back and have a flashback, Jed.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. You see things that give you a flashback. Yeah. Now you'll have to come over, man, and help him out go through these discs because this ain't no easy thing. It's going to take forever.
Yeah. Submission. Look. Format tune.
When you see how many there is, you'd be like, raw. There's some serious amount.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, because true say, you know, say some of them discs there, they ain't all just song discs. Some of them are just bare samples.
Yeah, exactly. So you got to get all the sample discs together first.
Because you got to load them up, innit?
Yeah.
Wow. Some of them are just samples, which you just put samples on.
Yeah. And the thing is, what's good about the Amiga, once you can just load up all the samples and keep all the song discs there in one folder and have all the samples in another folder. And then you can load up the Amiga stuff that way as well.
Maybe I'm going to try and group up all the Atari disc stuff. Right?
That's it. I think you should have all the Atari discs together, all the AKAI discs together, and put all the Amiga. That's the only way you probably be able to get any way of trying to sort it out. Yeah.
Boy, man, that's just a mission, boy.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I barely made a dent in 6 years.
But when you check it, there's like what 10 years work here. It's got to be there's
more than that. I barely made a dent. I've probably done what, not even 50 discs and went chia.
This is just like so many floppies, man. Oh my God, look, there's more in here as well. Look,
that's what I'm saying. It's pure.
Well, Busy's been there billing is.
He won't be making no tunes now. He's gonna be too busy trying to try and get these going again. He'll be gone for ages now.
Flipping heck, mate. I'm telling you, it's a mission.
But it's a good mission though.
Mellow Tough Remix 951.
What was Mellow Tough?
That was a thing that I done.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a jungle thing that I done. It was a thing I done for a sound system.
Seen.
Disc cleaner, you know.
Yeah, fling it in the drive, not?
that probably do more dry dotty.
Alright, man, safe, yeah?
Alright, see you easy, man. Later.
So guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up onto what's going on. Shout out to everyone out there and keep you guys posted. Take care, God bless, peace.